loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? It's Fox like Karma, Karma the Fox, Cameo the Done, yada done dada. However you want to know me, it is your girl. And as you can tell by the title, we're going to be packing up and cleaning up this holiday decor, you guys. I could not have waited long enough for this stuff to kind of go. I didn't play with my holiday decor the way I wanted to this season, but there's always next year. So I'm going to go ahead and pack all of this stuff up. We're going to start with the cubes in my dining room area, and I'm using these bins that I got from Walmart. These were about $20, I believe. These are really big and they hold a lot of stuff. I'm taking down my wine cellar area, and I just kind of changed this stuff up a little bit, but I didn't stay here throughout the holiday, so it was really no need for me to even go all out for decor. This right here, this was actually just another little cheese board that I had. So I'm also just going to take this one and sit this one in this. That one more like on the side. Okay, so all of the Christmas decor is in here. All of my little holiday charcuterie and things like that are in the bin. All of the extra little pots and pans that I have that needs to go to storage is there. So everything is just cleared out. I think I want to take that down, you guys, but I don't know, because that brown ties that brown in. So I don't know. It really just depends on what I'm going to do next with this whole setup right here. So I'm going to go ahead and close these bins and try to get them out the way. I can probably fill this one up with some more little knickknacks, but I don't know. I'm gonna see. Know what I want to do yet with this area, so I'm gonna go out to like Marshall's, Home Goods, and everything like that tomorrow, just to kind of get like a little idea of what I want to do. I know I want to add lavender in the living room. Definitely want to add lavender in this living room. I don't know why. I just want to. So yeah, you guys, the living room is a mess. Okay, you got Zaza stuff all over the place, the workout stuff. My boyfriend has the TV out here for whatever reason or another. So, and you got Zaza toys all over the place. Like, things like this really aggravate me. Like, girl, all of my plants are right here because they had been neglected for a while. So I just had to get them some sunlight and water. So all of this pretty much looks abandoned. I'm gonna take this down. Finally, it's time for that little mirror to go down, and we're gonna just be doing some more here. You know, I want to add lavender and soft pinks in here for whatever reason. That's just what I want to do here. This little setting here looks sad. Everything is looking sad, but we're gonna get it all fixed up. So because we knew it was gonna snow today and we were probably gonna be snowed in, we went and stopped at a few stores so we could pick up a few things. And I'm kind of bummed because I didn't get everything that I wanted to get. I got just some stuff to start with because I don't really know what direction I want to decor this area. So I just got some stuff to start with, and then I'm going to add on based on the main pieces that I got. So I'm going to show you guys that. So I am going to start with this 2-tier tray. Let me turn the light on. Move this over. I'm going to start with the 2-tier tray. This was $14.99. I got this from TJ Maxx and Home Goods. You know how they have the TJ Maxx and Home Goods in one store. So yeah, I got this from there. This was really, really cute. I got this to put over here. Look at that. So cute. Have the bag. So next I have this table runner. Y'all, not only because it have hearts on it and we're getting ready for like Valentine's Day, but the color of it, I can use it for multiple things, so I don't just have to use it for Valentine's Day. This is like that nude, khaki, white, shimmery. That's why I got it. It can be used for multiple different things, not just Valentine's Day. I think this was like $9. Actually, the table runner was $20. I got this pair. The pair was $5, and I just got it because, I mean, look at the colors. It go along perfectly. If you couldn't tell, I'm going for like gold. So next I got the gold pineapple. I know y'all seen these pineapples all through TJ Maxx and Home Goods and stuff to go inside of those cubes that I have right here. That pineapple was $4.99. I also have this little contraption. I call it a contraption because it truly is, but I'm not gonna be putting candles in here. I got this because, you know, it goes with the theme. I have a white pineapple, and this was $7.99. So like, I really had to get this. This was literally only $7.99, and I love this. So I want to like add that here. These are the things that we are going to be starting with, so I know exactly where I want to go with my decor, you guys. So yeah, I'm going to go back out when it stops snowing and get some more things. Those two pineapples are going in here, but I need to add more things in here, obviously, so I need to go back for that. I need to add a few more things up there, and I need a painting. I need to add things here and also inside of here. I need a painting for right here. I need a coat rack for right here. I need 3 or 4 pillows to go with my new decor color. I need a new throw. I need decor to go here. I need a painting right here. I need some paintings up there and some lights up there. Lights right here, lights right here, and lights right here, y'all. So I still have so much to do. The living room looks a mess, but still have so much to do. I have this coffee can, and I originally, when I bought it, I was going to use this coffee can after I took all of my holiday decor out. However, now that I'm thinking about it, I'm going to keep playing along with the black and white theme. So this is going to have to go because it has the gold, the wood. So I had my chamomile tea bags in there. I took them out. My boyfriend hung this up for me, so I just added them in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this in my holiday decor box. So now what's left, let me go ahead and put Zaza food up. Okay, now that that's up, for the kitchen, I'm gonna go ahead and take these off. I'm gonna wash them. I have to also take this one down. I'm gonna wash these, and then I'm gonna go ahead and store them up for the holiday as well. And I'm gonna pull these back out, and we're gonna use them in the meantime until I find some new ones. I'm also gonna, once these flowers pass through, I'm gonna also take this vase and put it up as well. Okay, love, so let's go ahead and start with cleaning off all of the surfaces. I'm going to take some Windex and clean this cabinet. I got this cabinet from Amazon. I'll leave the link to where you can purchase this down below. And it was really inexpensive. I think it was about $75 to $100. So I'm just wiping off the inside of it and also the front of it. And we're going to place our table runner on top of the table. Now, I thought these might go nice, but I just don't like the way they sit. I think it looks like it's just too much. because the table runner has the glitter and it's embedded, so it kind of makes things bumpy. So we do take this back over to the wine cellar area after I cleaned it off, of course. And I just don't really know how I want to place this. And actually, you guys should comment down below and let me know which way you thought looked better. Does it look better like this, or does it look better like this with the bamboo next to the 2-tier tray? Or does it look better with the bamboo across from it on the other side of the photo? I couldn't really figure out how I wanted to do it. I also like the way the bamboo looked on the other side of the 2-tier tray like this. So just comment down below 1, 2, or 3. Which looked the best to you? I don't know. I thought these were just really cute looks. I really couldn't figure out how I wanted to place it. So 1 being this look right here, 1, 2 being this look right here, this is 2, 3 would be the bamboo next to the 2-tier tray. So you guys let me know down below. I want to lift this because I just feel like it's too low. I think maybe 1 more notch. Yeah, I like that. I think that looks much better. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference. Hey you guys, what's up? So it is nighttime, as you guys can tell. It is 7:38 right now. I just finished cleaning everything and got all of these bins out my way. So it's snowing. Whenever it stops snowing, my boyfriend is gonna take these out to the storage. It's like my boyfriend's in there playing the game, so we might hear him, but it's like such a vibe right now, you guys. So I have this table runner here, and you guys gonna know more about all of this in a separate video. And I'm gonna end up putting something right there. I thought I wanted to put a candle, but the other day Zaza walked on this and she burnt her fur a little bit, so I'm probably not gonna be putting candles on this thing anymore. I also went ahead and set this up. I just love the vibes of this area. Let me turn the light on. Ooh, it's so cute. I just really love the vibes in that area right there. And so here are just some of the things that I added. We ended up moving this light fixture up a little bit more because it just was too low down. I'm gonna take this plant thing, I'm gonna take this faux plant out because it's just, I don't like it anymore. So as you guys can see, I ended up adding a few things here, but this is probably not gonna be the final setting. This is just what I have it set for right now. And just one of my favorite things about this is this little tray right here with all my crystals on it. I think that is so cute. So here is just what it is looking like right now. It's snowing, so I thought that to set the mood, it'll be good to burn marshmallow fireside. So I have marshmallow fireside burning right now, right there. So yes, you guys. And I forget which candle I have burning over there, but it's not a Bath and Body Works candle. It's a candle that I got from Walmart. So that's just burning over there. But yes, it just looks so beautiful when everything is out the way and cleaned. I feel like I haven't sat in right here and did a video in I don't know how long. Because it's the new year, I'm super determined to meet my goals business wise, branding wise, relationship wise. As soon as January hit, that's when you guys probably see me post all of those videos on Premiere. Those were all old. All of that content was created in 2021. All of that content I had gathered for November and December. And those were supposed to be the videos that I closed out 2021 in. Just didn't end up doing that because the holidays is really a spiritual time for me. It's really one of those times that I like to take and just decompress. All of the new videos that you guys get after this is actually new content filmed in the new year. So I just wanted to throw that little disclaimer out there. Other than that, thank you guys so much for supporting me and still being here with me. And it just really means a lot that people actually still ask about me, keep up with me, even when I only get like a few views here and there. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the post notification bell so you can be a part of